Hello friends, welcome back to the one video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to upload guys Oppo mobile setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to share Wi-Fi network of Oppo mobile to any Android phone device. Friends, you want to share Wi-Fi network is mobile to mobile. So friends, how to share Wi-Fi network mobile to mobile, one by one, step by step friends we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, open your phone setting. After on phone setting friends, click here Wi-Fi setting. After on Wi-Fi setting friends, refresh your Wi-Fi setting. After refresh Wi-Fi setting friends, select your Wi-Fi network, which network you want to share and you want to connect. So friends, I will connect this 5G network, this phone. After connect friends, I will share this 5G network, this phone, mobile to mobile. Open friends Wi-Fi setting. After on Wi-Fi setting, refresh Wi-Fi setting, and friends you can see same network here, 5G network, 5G network. But friends, I will have to enter password. Friends, I will not enter password. Direct friends, click here QR code setting, and this phone friends scanner is here. So click here, and friends you can see scan QR code, join Wi-Fi network. Friends, tap on screen and scan QR code. After scan QR code, friends you can see Wi-Fi network will share mobile to mobile, and friends we can use this Wi-Fi network. So like that friends, you can share Wi-Fi network as mobile to mobile, and we can use it. Friends, you can see this phone friends, I can on YouTube app, I can use Instagram, WhatsApp, Snapchat app, I can use it. So like that friends, you can use Wi-Fi setting. And friends, you want to forget Wi-Fi network, so friends click here forget option, Wi-Fi network will forget. Again friends, you cannot use, you want to use, you will have to enter password. Direct friends click here scan QR code, Wi-Fi QR code, scan QR code, Wi-Fi network connect automatic without any password. So bye friends, thanks for watching.